Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by Skilled MBA. Toyota's legacy in the automotive industry is marked by its pioneering Toyota production system, which revolutionized manufacturing efficiency. However, the company now faces sustainability challenges, with environmental performance gaps and competitive pressures urging a transformation. Key opportunities lie in supply chain transformation, focusing on sustainable operations integration to maintain its competitive edge. Toyota's legacy in operations management is marked by its pioneering Toyota Production System, TPS, which has set global standards. However, environmental performance gaps and competitive pressures present sustainability challenges. Addressing these requires strategic imperatives, focusing on key opportunities and challenges in transforming the supply chain and implementing practical frameworks for sustainable operations integration. The Toyota Production System, TPS, has set the benchmark for operational excellence globally. Key principles include just-in-time inventory management, ensuring efficiency; Kaizen, fostering continuous improvement; Jidoka, integrating automation with human intelligence; and a strong emphasis on respect for people and teamwork. These elements have revolutionized manufacturing, establishing Toyota as a leader in the industry. Toyota's sustainability efforts are under scrutiny, with a 28% Greenpeace ranking among automakers in 2021. Its 12% electric vehicle market share lags behind competitors' expanding electric portfolios. Additionally, Toyota faces a 35% emissions reduction gap from industry leaders in supply chain decarbonization, impacting its reputation and market share. Volkswagen, General Motors, and Tesla are advancing rapidly in electrification and carbon-neutral supply chains. Toyota's cautious strategy has left it trailing in sustainability, contrasting its past operational leadership. This shift highlights the urgent need for Toyota to innovate and integrate sustainable practices to regain its competitive edge in the evolving automotive landscape. Toyota stands at a strategic crossroads, needing to integrate sustainability into its core operations. Historically, its lean manufacturing and operational efficiency set industry standards. Now, the challenge is balancing these strengths with sustainability imperatives to lead the transition to a net-zero supply chain, ensuring future competitiveness and environmental responsibility. Toyota's supply chain sustainability faces challenges. A vast network of over 3,500 Tier 1 suppliers complicates emissions tracking. The just-in-time delivery model conflicts with sustainable transport options needing longer lead times. Additionally, operations in 28 countries with diverse renewable energy access and regulations hinder standardization efforts. Toyota's cost efficiency strategy, rooted in supplier consolidation and global sourcing, faces new sustainability demands. Local sourcing aims to cut transportation emissions, while supplier selection now considers environmental performance. Investments in sustainable materials and comprehensive carbon accounting challenge Toyota to balance cost leadership with sustainable supply chain transformation. Supplier engagement is crucial for sustainability. Conduct comprehensive audits and measure emissions baselines. Provide training and technical assistance to suppliers for emissions reduction. Offer procurement preferences and financial incentives to high-performing green suppliers. Collaborate on joint research and development initiatives to develop breakthrough sustainable technologies and materials. Digital twin modeling allows us to simulate supply chain changes, assessing carbon impacts before implementation. By shifting to regional supply clusters, we reduce transportation emissions while preserving economies of scale. Circular supply loops enhance reverse logistics, enabling material recapture for remanufacturing, thus promoting sustainability in the supply chain. Toyota's green production system evolves traditional principles by adding carbon waste as the eighth form of MUDA. It emphasizes energy unevenness tracking, environmental overburden prevention, and carbon genchi genbutsu for direct emissions observation. Sustainability nemawashi ensures stakeholder alignment, integrating sustainability into Toyota's core operations. leveraging existing strengths for a greener future. Toyota's implementation roadmap unfolds in 3 horizons. Horizon 1 focuses on optimizing current supply chains for quick wins and capability building. Horizon 2 involves transforming supply networks for sustainability by 2025-2030. Horizon 3 aims for a carbon-positive supply chain by 2030, turning sustainability into a competitive advantage. Success in sustainability extends beyond carbon reduction. It encompasses reducing Scope 1 to 3 emissions, enhancing resource efficiency, and improving waste circularity. Business performance is gauged by total cost of ownership, supply chain resilience, and market share in eco-conscious segments. Innovation is measured by green patents, sustainable products, and new business models. Stakeholder value is reflected in environmental, social, and governance ratings, customer perception, and talent retention. Legacy operational strengths can be leveraged in sustainability transformation, enhancing rather than replacing existing systems. Supply chain decarbonization demands a multifaceted approach, including measurement, supplier engagement, and network redesign. Managing cost sustainability tensions involves phased implementation and innovative business models. Leadership in sustainability is now integral to operational excellence in global manufacturing. Thank you, and for more insights into supply chain sustainability and operational strategy, visit our website or contact us today. Thank you for joining Skilled MBA.